day 2 of Berlin. Hey. And we are eating breakfast now. We're in this cool little coffee shop on the corner. Trying to figure out the name of it. But we'll add it in the description for you. It's a real good meal. We got breakfast, we got cappuccino and tea and 2 sandwiches for about €7.50.
€7.80.
€7. And it's really good. The lady in the back, you can't see her back there, but she's really nice. Cool little shop. And yeah, so we're gonna do some walking around today. I'm gonna probably do some photo scouting. And the weather's looking better today, so we'll keep you guys up to date and hope you continue to watch. Stay tuned. All right, so now we're walking down Adobe Street toward the train, the subway, whatever, and we're going to see the Berlin Wall. So, what are your thoughts, Sanaz? Are you excited?
It's gonna be cool because I've seen it already.
Oh,
on my
party pooper.
Trip, but you haven't seen it.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. So, yeah, cool. So we're gonna take. I think the train is about 3 stops, and we'll give you guys an update. It's right up there. It's going overhead. Alright, so we just bought our tickets to the East Wall, and we found out a little tip from one of the guys working the platform here. It's typically
€2.80 per ride.
€2.80 per ride going, and $2.80 coming back. So that's about $6 or €6. If you get the 7-day unlimited, you can basically ride the train all day. So
€7.
it makes more sense to buy that. So we're actually going to get on the train now to go see the wall, and it's the S or the R train to
Ostbahnhof.
Sorry, guys.
Ostbahnhof is about 15-20 minutes ride from where we are, which is Berlin Friedrichstraße, and this is our train coming up right now.
Yep. So let's get on the train. See you soon.
Yep.
There it is. Oh, wow. Cool.
Beginning of the wall. We got off the Ostbahnhof, which you can see from across the street.
Yep, here's the train.
It was actually a quick, short ride from our Friedrichstraße station, and we made it here in about 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to go to the Ostbahnhof. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the Ostbahnhof. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the train. And then we're going to go to the We did get a day pass, so you can use it to navigate all over the city,
Which is good.
which is great because it's snowing right now, so we get to save a little bit of energy.
Thank you.
But we're gonna check out the home and see what it has to offer.
We're coming back from the wall. The wall's over there. And we're walking back to the train now. And it was snowing a little bit. Now it's stopped. So it's kind of cool. And we'll see you guys then. But I hope you're enjoying these videos. We are really enjoying making them for you. And stay tuned. We will see.
So we are here at Alexanderplatz and we found the Alex Snack Bar right around there where we got our currywurst. So this is the first of many currywurst and we're about to try this out. It's a light colored wurst with a lot of taste of turmeric. So you get a little bit on the top, you get a little sauce, some kind of a tomato sauce. See how it tastes. It's very yummy. I have to say though, it's perfectly cooked and the lady that cut this up for us took it fresh out of the fryer, so it wasn't something that was sitting on their grill for a long time. But it's tasty.
So is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
It definitely is a thumbs up, but we're gonna try out a couple other places that serve currywurst to find the best currywurst and get back to you guys.
Gave you bread too.
Yep.
So cool.
All right, guys.
So we are ending the day very tired, very exhausted, and we are going to top the night off with 2 drinks of red wine
At our hotel.
So we don't even know what we're going to do tomorrow. We're just going to play it by ear. But
We're tired.
we're tired and we're going to loop you guys in tomorrow when we get up. Okay? Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.